finally got rid of my check engine light. Look, I have a gear indicator now. I decided to put the stock sprocket on. It's slower now, but now I can do 80 like this and like be chilling. Before, if I was doing, I would be like right here, bro. I used to be screaming down the road. Just because, I mean, Texas roads are all straight. I tend to ride faster, so it just made sense. As sad as I was about it, you know, now we make chillin', bruh. A C10 brother. Ooh, today's one of those days. No destination. It's in the low 80s, bro. It's so nice outside. I don't even have a jacket over my gear, bro. It feels great. And I'm wearing all black. I'm just soaking up the sun. Oh, I feel amazing. And I no longer have a girlfriend. I mean, I've been not having a girlfriend, but like on one of these days she would be like, oh, let's go do something, because she would know I'd want to ride my bike, bro. Screw women. It's funny, that little girl's trying to be a friend. She's like, yeah, let's just be friends. And you know, if I ever want it, and I was just like, girl, you ain't ever gonna get none of this. Hey, adventure bike bread. See, but now with my gearing, like, even if I were to drop 2 gears and pull it, it'll take me a minute to pass this guy. It's just sad. Is that bad for your bike? Oh, I'm gonna hit 10,000 miles today. I got this bike at like 6K. It's a lot of seat time. But I should probably turn this off. I just wanted to check in. I haven't made a video in a while. All the videos you've been seeing have been made like for a decent amount of time, bro. I had a bunch of videos made back to back. And like I was riding here and there, but I wasn't turning the camera on and talking to it, which is, I think it's a good thing. I think it's good to like ride just for you sometimes. This isn't the only reason why I ride. I enjoy making videos, but sometimes I do want to ride and not have like, oh, let's make sure I turn the camera on. Oh, I'm gay. I gotta turn on the camera so I could capture stuff. Like, nah, I'm good, fam. Today's one of those days. It's so nice. I feel like filming a video. Look at this field. OMG. That's nice. Very pretty. But I will get back to y'all. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just gonna ride. Pretty cool. Talk to you later. Peace. bruh. Look at this charger. Nice. It was all sparkly.